morning, I'm Martin. I'm at CarQuest Auto Parts in Port Lavaca, Texas, as we like to call it, Paradise by the Bay. Today, we will be performing a spare tire change. Welcome to what you need to know. First, you need to prepare your work area. It needs to be safe, comfortable, and organized. Second, you need to prepare your tools and your parts. This job calls for your manual, your toolkit, and your spare tire. Helpful hint, most manuals are located in the glove box. Flip to the index to find the page number for the proper procedures. Third, calm your mind and open your eyes. Or give us a call at Trey Wholesale. Step 1. Find your lug nuts. These are your lug nuts. Break them loose by taking your tire iron, turning them counterclockwise half a turn. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. If you're having real problems, you can always use your feet. Step 2. Find your load-bearing lift points, as in your manual. Placing your jack squarely underneath it, lifting your tire 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Step 3. Remove your lug nuts. Then remove your tire. Safety tip: to keep your hands and feet from getting pinned, place your tire underneath the vehicle as an added safety precaution. Step 4. Place your spare tire on the hub. Make sure the stem is facing out. Install your lug nuts with the cone facing in. Remember, righty-tighty your lug nut until snug. Make sure your tire is flush with no wiggle. Step 5. Remove your safety tire and lower your vehicle back to the ground. Step 6. Evenly tighten your lug nuts righty-tighty in a star pattern for proper fit. Step 7. Replace your tools and your manual where you found them. Remember, guys, spare tires are just that. They're there to get you to the nearest repair facility. Here at Trey Wholesale, we have the tires you need at a price you can appreciate. But if you decide to risk it, Bay Wrecker Service is waiting and ready.